GOP lawmakers on Capitol Hill once again shining a spotlight on fraud, calling on infamous social media influencers to testify. Both Nick Shirley and James O'Keefe sharing what they found with senators, vowing to take more action to crack down. National correspondent Christine Frizzau explains what some are now calling a fraud epidemic.
Taxpayer dollars on the take. In example after example, with so-called citizen journalists trying to capture the crimes on camera.
And the child care center is locked.
This now viral video purporting to show taxpayer-funded daycare centers with no children and healthcare agencies with no patients in Minnesota. In Los Angeles, James O'Keefe says he went undercover as a homeless man to get a front row seat to voter registration fraud.
Now, because you haven't registered, I need to register you so I can get paid too.
One petitioner who took out his phone to access an online database to pull voter rolls and addresses. The petitioner says, "I'm going to give you an address to write. Your name is Robert."
The men behind these videos telling senators if they can find this happening, the government should be able to as well.
People often wonder how come this fraud became so big and how come it becomes so rampant? And the reason is because no one actually ever really looked into it.
The Government Accountability Office estimates fraud accounts for $233 billion to $521 billion per year.
Washington sends billions of dollars out the door, often without knowing who receives it, if any service was performed, or even if the business exists.
Most Democrats on the committee did not attend the hearing, but Ranking Member Gary Peters says if Republicans actually cared about fraud, they'd also provide oversight on President Trump, who's made more than $2 billion in cryptocurrency since taking office and fired 19 inspectors general in violation of the law.
He removed experienced independent investigators with a strong record of identifying waste and fraud and replaced them with cronies.
The Department of Justice has been pursuing several of these cases mentioned, already charging 15 people in Minnesota for daycare and other Medicaid fraud schemes involving $90 million. The woman in the James O'Keefe video has also agreed to plead guilty for paying people, including homeless people, to register to vote. I'm Christine Frizzau reporting.